Hello, today I like to make a short review of the Feiyu Tech Vlog Pocket, which I got so that I can do my vlogging in a more stable way. This Vlog Pocket I chose over the more famous Osmo Mobile 3 because the price is cheaper, while the Osmo costs around 7,000 bucks pesos more, while this one costs a little less than 3.5 or less. So without much further ado, I'd like to unbox this one so we can see. By the way, you can see there's these are some of the short specs that it has, but in Chinese. I don't know about the other side, so that's it. No, nevertheless, we'll just unbox it. This is made by Feiyu, so in the box you can see I chose the black one, so try to open it up. Wait. By the way, I got this from Lazada from Rio, Philippines, and the packing is very good. Actually, I was surprised they didn't squirm on putting a lot of what do you call this, bubble wrap for this to come a bit safe. So we'll see how it is inside. Okay, so put this out. So we'll see. What's this? It's the warranty card. Okay, and short. What's called this? For more information, visit our website. So this is the manual. So this is the manual. The manual comes in this is in Chinese, while the other side, oh no. So I got this one, everything is in Chinese, but not to worry, because most of the specs here are probably very simple to understand, and I can also download the manual over the internet online, and so that's not much problem. So inside the box we have the mini tripod. Feiyu, thank you. So this is going to be mounted here, and let's see. So we also have USB micro USB minimum USB, right? The standard one. So this one should connect to the, so this is so small, so you can see it's made very, actually I'm surprised that it's quite heavy a little, no? Actually I thought it was too plastic, but I'm happy with the quality. I was surprised with this. So aside from that, you also have he gave you also a pouch. Feiyu also gave you a not bad. This pouch is for portable use, no? So thank you. Okay, so this tripod, actually this can be, let's put this aside. So this one, you can, there's also a tripod on the bottom of the Vlog mobile. So what you do is you just turn it loose. So you put it like that, then you tighten it. So there's a 2-axis lock here, so you release one lock and lose the other lock. So typically this one, you can the tripod can also be used if you screwed it in. It can also help you have a slightly longer grip, no? Actually, I'm quite surprised with. So just remove the tripod first, and we will concentrate on the bottom area, no? So as you can see, there are 2 buttons. One is the power up button, and bottom is the camera shut button. So on the back there's a trigger. So let me see, I'll get my phone, which is a Samsung Huawei P20 Pro. So best remove it from the box, no? So this one is stretchable type, so you can, let's see, wait, there's a direction here. Let's read it. So please hold gimbal before power on. Okay, so we can put the phone in between here. So actually just slightly, so we need to balance it a little. So see, so let's see. So I need to open this up first. Wait, I think I put it on the wrong side. Probably should be here. Wait, see, it's not balanced, so we need to adjust this a little bit more further. Let's see. So more or less this is a little bit fit. So see how it goes. So this is more or less, but it's a little bit high, heavy on the one side, so slide it a little bit more. Wait, so it should be more or less now. So the power on button, so this is another loose. We need to loosen another one first. Sorry, forgot to loosen this. So we power it on. So automatically it locks now. So we want to put it back to, so that's how it goes. So we can double tap it. So this is how it balances it now. So wait. How you vertical lock it now. So if you want to boot it back, you can press it 2 seconds, it goes back to what do you call this, horizontal mode. So you can put it like that, so it's still tracking. So far this is the unboxing, and I'll come back on for the more comprehensive description or how to run this system. Thank you. So I'll come back for part 2. So here's James Kevin T, and hope to bring back the part 2. Thank you.